Hello, hello everyone. Dear student, in last lecture we have seen Claisen condensation reaction. Now in this lecture we are going to see cross Claisen condensation reaction. So what is Claisen condensation reaction? Claisen condensation reaction is a reaction in which two ester molecule which are having alpha hydrogen atom, they are condensed together in the presence of base to form a beta keto ester product. Okay, now what is mean by cross Claisen condensation reaction? In cross Claisen condensation reaction, two different ester molecule, okay, two different ester molecule which are having alpha hydrogen atom, they are condensed together. Okay, see for example, one is ethyl acetoacetate and second one is, suppose first one is ethyl acetate, not ethyl acetoacetate, ethyl acetate, and second one is what? Ethyl propanoate. Okay, suppose these two ester molecule, if we have condensed together in presence of base like sodium ethoxide, what we will get? We will get a cross Claisen condensation product. How many product we will get? How many product we will get? We will get 4 product here. Okay, 2 product will be for these molecule will condense with another, that means ethyl acetate will condense with another ethyl acetate molecule to form self condensation product here, isn't it? Self condensation product here. Again ethyl propanoate will condense, this ethyl propanoate molecule will condense with another ethyl propanoate molecule to form self condensation product here. Okay, so this is one product is formed, this is second product is formed. Now when this sodium ethoxide will abstract alpha hydrogen from these molecule, okay, that means carbanion will going to form from ethyl acetate. Okay, so this will condense with this, so that will be what? Third product. That product will be see like this, that product will be like this. See, CH2, this CH2 from this carbon, okay, from this alpha carbon is going to condense with this carbonyl. So you have to write this carbonyl here, then CH2, CH3. So this is what third product will form. Now fourth product will what? This carbon, this ester molecule is also having this alpha carbon atom. Okay, so this molecule, that means base will abstract proton from this carbon, this alpha carbon of ethyl propanoate, and that will condense with this carbonyl carbon. Okay, so you will have such type of product now here, COOET. Okay, now CH, this is what your CH3 that I am writing here. Okay, this CH3. Now this CH is going to condense with this carbonyl. Okay, so it will be like this, CO, and then you will have CH3. So in this way you will get here product, isn't it? So you will get 4 different product in cross Claisen condensation, and it is quite complicated. It is quite complicated to isolate this product by column chromatography or by any means. Okay, to avoid this complication, to avoid this 4 product formation, we can have one ester molecule which is having alpha hydrogen atom, one ester molecule which should have alpha hydrogen atom, and second ester molecule that should not have alpha hydrogen atom. Such type of combination if we are having, that is also a cross Claisen condensation reaction. Have you understood? One ester molecule should have alpha hydrogen atom and second ester molecule should not have alpha hydrogen atom, isn't it? So that compound will be like ethyl formate, okay, ethyl benzoate, isn't it? See here the compound like HCOOET. This is also a ester, but this ester is not having alpha hydrogen, alpha carbon. Okay, alpha carbon नहीं है, इसलिए alpha hydrogen नहीं है. And again we can have a second ester molecule like this. Here also there is no alpha carbon, hence there is no alpha hydrogen. So such type of ester molecule, suppose if we have condensed with such type of ester molecule, those who are having alpha hydrogen atom, then we will get only one product, isn't it? Then we will get what? Only one product, that we will see. Okay. Now we are reacting this ethyl acetate. What is this? Ethyl acetate with ethyl formate. Okay, what is this? Ethyl formate. Now see what product we will have. We will have COET that I have written from this, then this CH2, isn't it? This CH2, then this CH2 is going to condense with this carbon, carbonyl carbon. So you will have these molecule, you will have these ester molecule. Okay, so this is what? Cross Claisen condensation product. Cross Claisen condensation product, isn't it? So in this way cross Claisen condensation is carried out. So cross Claisen condensation is the condensation of a ester molecule which is having alpha hydrogen atom with another ester molecule which is not having alpha hydrogen atom in presence of a base like sodium ethoxide to give a cross Claisen condensation product. That is what? Cross Claisen condensation reaction. Now we will see application of this cross Claisen condensation reaction. Application of this cross Claisen condensation reaction. Before going to application, we will have a mechanism. Okay, see, mechanism is similar to what? Claisen condensation reaction. Mechanism is similar to what? Claisen condensation reaction. First is what? Generation of carbanion. First step is what? Generation of carbanion. So base will abstract proton from this carbon, alpha carbon. So you will have carbanion here at this carbon. In second step there is what? Attack, nucleophilic attack of carbanion on carbonyl carbon of second ester molecule, isn't it? And in third step there will be what? There will be what? Aqueous workup, isn't it? So you will have this cross Claisen condensation product. So this is what the mechanism. Now we are going to see application of this reaction. See, in first application we will have a reaction like ethyl acetate is reacted with ethyl benzoate. What is it? Ethyl benzoate. Isn't it? Ethyl benzoate. So when we will react ethyl acetate with ethyl benzoate in presence of sodium ethoxide, in presence of what? Sodium ethoxide. So we will have product like this. COOET, isn't it? This is what? CH2 from ethyl acetate. So it will condense with this carbonyl. So you will have this type of compound. So these are what? Beta keto ester. This is what? Beta keto ester, a useful compound having different functional group. This functional group we can have on this phenyl ring various type of substituent. Okay, so this is what a useful beta keto ester. So this is what we can synthesize ethyl benzoyl acetate, isn't it? Ethyl benzoyl acetate, such type of compound we can synthesize by what? Cross-Claisen condensation reaction. Now we will have second application of Claisen ester condensation. See, in this we will synthesize ethyl acetate with a carbonyl compound. We will condense a ester that is having alpha hydrogen, isn't it, with a carbonyl compound which is also having a alpha hydrogen, isn't it, in presence of base like sodium ethoxide. See here, this alpha hydrogen, this carbon, the proton which is attached to carbonyl carbon, that is the proton aldehydic carbonyl carbon or ketonic carbonyl carbon. Okay, so the proton, the group which is attached to aldehydic or ketonic carbonyl carbon, which is more acidic. Okay, these protons are more acidic. Hence, base will abstract only proton from this carbon, this alpha carbon of aldehyde or ketone, isn't it? So we will have alpha carbon atom at this position, and suppose if we react this compound with this, what we will have? See, this is what? Acetyl acetone. Acetyl acetone, or you can say it is beta diketone. Okay, see, this is what a alpha carbon, this is what a beta carbon with respect to this carbonyl group. So this is what alpha, this is what beta. So this is what acetyl acetone, or we can say this is beta diketone, alpha carbon, beta carbon. So we can synthesize beta keto ester by cross-Claisen condensation reaction. We can synthesize beta diketone by cross-Claisen condensation reaction. So this is what cross-Claisen condensation reaction. Okay, so I hope you have understood this topic. We will stop here. Thank you very much. Thank you.